Do you dream of quitting your job and living life on your own terms? What if I told you that early retirement isn't just for the ultra-rich? It's possible for anyone with the right plan. In this video, we're breaking down a step-by-step blueprint to help you achieve financial freedom and retire early. Make sure to stick around till the end because the last tip could shave years off your retirement timeline. Let's dive in. Number 1. Define your early retirement number. Before you can retire, you need to know your target number, the amount of money required to sustain your lifestyle without working. Use the 25x rule. Multiply your annual expenses by 25. If you spend $40,000 a year, you'll need $1 million saved. Use the 4% rule. You can safely withdraw 4% of your savings per year without running out of money. Consider inflation and adjust accordingly. Knowing your number gives you a clear goal to work toward. Number 2. Cut expenses and boost your savings rate. The key to retiring early: save as much as possible, as fast as possible. Reduce housing costs. Consider house hacking, downsizing, or moving to a lower-cost area. Cut unnecessary expenses, cancel unused subscriptions, cook at home, and minimize impulse buys. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, don't increase spending, increase savings. Aim to save 50% or more of your income for the fastest results. Number 3. Maximize your income. The more you earn, the faster you can retire. Here's how to increase your income. Ask for a raise. Negotiate a higher salary at your current job. Switch to a higher paying career. Consider tech, finance, or other lucrative fields. Start a side hustle, freelancing, online business, or investing in real estate. Build passive income streams. Earn money without trading time for it. Increasing your income accelerates your savings and gets you to early retirement sooner. Number 4. Invest aggressively for growth. You can't just save your way to retirement. You need to invest your money so it grows. Invest in S&P index funds and ETFs. 500 ETFs like VOO, SPY, or VTI offer great long-term growth. Buy dividend stocks. Earn passive income from company profits. Consider real estate. Rental properties generate cash flow and appreciation. Max out tax-advantaged accounts. 401k, IRA, and HSA. Accounts grow tax-free. The sooner you start investing, the faster your money compounds. Number 5. Minimize taxes to keep more money. The less you pay in taxes, the more you can save and invest. Contribute to 401k and IRA, accounts to reduce taxable income. Use an HSA for tax-free medical savings. Invest in long-term assets to benefit from lower capital gains taxes. Consider moving to a tax-friendly state to avoid high income taxes. Keeping more of your money equals retiring even sooner. Number 6. Create passive income streams. Want to retire early without worrying about your savings running out? Build passive income. Rental properties. Earn cash flow from real estate. Dividend stocks. Get paid just for holding stocks. Online business. Sell digital products or courses. Royalties. Write books. Create music. Or license your content. Passive income means your money works for you, even while you sleep. Number 7. Adopt the FIRE mindset. Financial independence. Retire early. The FIRE movement is all about saving aggressively, investing wisely, and living frugally to achieve early retirement. Focus on needs, not wants. Avoid unnecessary spending. Think long-term. Every dollar saved today gets you closer to freedom. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Learn from others who are achieving FIRE. The earlier you start, the sooner you can retire. Number 8. Plan for healthcare and unexpected costs. Many people overlook healthcare and emergency expenses in early retirement. Consider a health savings account, HSA, for medical expenses. Look into Affordable Care Act subsidies or private insurance. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected costs. A solid plan ensures you don't run into financial trouble later. Number 9. Keep your expenses low in retirement. Once you've retired early, keep your spending in check so your money lasts. Live in a low-cost country. Places like Thailand, Mexico, or Portugal offer great quality of life for less. Use the bucket strategy. Keep short-term cash separate from long-term investments. Continue earning small amounts. Part-time work, consulting, or passion projects can help. Retiring early doesn't mean never making money again. It means having financial freedom. Number 10. Stay flexible and adjust as needed. Life is unpredictable, so be ready to adjust your plan as needed. Market downturn, reduce spending temporarily. Unexpected expenses, use your emergency fund, want to work part-time, go for it. Retirement is about freedom.